Alrighty, another construction update. This one, actually, I wasn't expecting it to, when I got to the site to find anything exciting, but it turns out I was wrong, thankfully. So a couple things I'm going to talk about quickly before we get into the actual construction update is this larger than Valraven question. I do, and I have for a while now, thought that this coaster has the potential to be larger than Valraven due to the amount of footers, the sheer size and timeline of this project, and multiple reasons. Just the fact that it has a tunnel, and Valraven doesn't. And I know there's a whole watershed issue at Cedar Point versus us, but our tunnel happens to be one of the largest dive coaster tunnels, along with our spine and bolts being larger on the first drop than that to Valraven. So there's a few reasons. All right, so I put this photo in here for a reason, and you're going to see it kind of why I put it in near the end. But I want you to pay attention to the Chilkoot Trail, the Klondike Gold Rush, and then just the general theming of the area. So as we go right into it, this area has its electrical going back in, so the lampposts are going back up. They have some new bricks over there to be installed and stuff like that. These are like temp old lampposts, so I do think this area is going to be rethemed, but it definitely signals that the path is going to open up again come this weekend. There's lots of digging going on at the very edge of Skyrider's plot of land, so I guess more footers are going in, and that is where a plot of 3 footers are currently next to Timberwolf, and then there's about 10 to 15 footers inside of Timberwolf as well. So yeah, they were just pretty much digging up, I guess, what's going to be footers in that area, which is exciting. I have no idea the second half layout yet. It's kind of confusing, and you can't really predict it until you see more of it. But we do know that it dives into the tunnel and heads over to Timberwolf, and that I can almost guarantee is the possible layout. Okay, so here you can see fencing going up, and it's very interesting fencing. It's very similar to the Timberwolf and Whitewater Canyon area fencing, yet it's slightly taller. I see the kind of wood, it's flat wood they're going to use with it as well. So I'm interested to see if they go with rope, or some sort of theming related to the Chilkoot Trail or the Klondike Gold Rush. I was pretty excited to see this kind of fencing as well, just because it doesn't look like construction fencing that's going to go up. So we might be able to get some pretty good pictures over there this weekend, which I'm super excited about. You can also see the electrical for speakers and lampposts as well in there as they get ready to open this path up for Splashworks this weekend. So I'll be there taking pictures of this construction site. I'm just excited to get different angles and all that. But they are making quick haste in this area. As you can see, you come back. I was literally here at 11 a.m. I was there on Saturday, and literally so much had changed just in that little period as well. So here's a great shot of the, let's call it the Chilkoot Trail. I'm kidding, but that's probably what it's going to be. It looks nice. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to see the fencing completed. I like that there's different sizing in the posts as well. That kind of adds like a feel to it, and I'm hoping it's kind of like rope. Like almost like kind of like Dinosaurs Alive type of fencing, if that makes sense. I think that would suit this area really well. So here's some of the rebar cages that arrived the other day. There's a lot of them. Here's a look at the footer for the station area and all that. Not much has changed over here. Some of you saw me mark a footer on my footer map right behind Minebuster area there. That is what I marked right there. It's a hole. It's really deep. It's dug out in the footer, and I assume they just haven't poured it yet because there seems to be a flooding issue there. I'm assuming it's a footer. It may not, but that's why I marked that. Yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and share the video. All right, thanks so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.